how to make a flight reservation online without paying. So let's get started. First thing first, go to any web browser and go to onwardticket.com. This website provides temporary flight reservations for visa or onward travel purposes. Now on the home page, you will get to see Book Now option available in the pink highlights. Simply tap on it and navigate to the booking section. Now, after you tap on it, you will find the fields to enter your travel information. Departure city, the city from where you are departing, and the destination where you are going. Also the travel date, the date for your onward travels. You will have to fill out all the information, and after you fill out this information, onwardticket.com provides flight reservations that are valid for 24 to 48 hours, which is usually enough time for visa applications or showing onward travel during border checks. Make sure to select the appropriate reservation duration based on your needs. After you do so, you will be navigated to fill your personal details. Now, all you have to do is full name as it appears on your passport and email address to receive the confirmation of the flight reservation. Double check your information to avoid any mistakes. After you do so, the service usually charges around $12 to $15 USD for a temporary flight reservation. While you won't be paying for an actual flight, you will be paying this fee to generate the reservation. After reviewing the details, proceed to payment and onwardticket.com and accepts major credit cards and online payment methods as well. After that, the flight reservation is temporary and will expire after the given period. Make sure to use it within the validity window as it won't hold a confirmed seat on the flight for long. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.